to restore hydration in your dry, thirsty curls, check out our Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger collection. Condition each strand with natural ingredients like avocado, coconut, and olive oil to bring your hair back to life. We've also infused this collection with ginger, an ingredient that promotes hair growth and prevents hair breakage. The Hawaiian Ginger collection is here to heal and moisturize your hair from leave-ins to hair butter and deep conditioning treatments. Say goodbye to dry scalps and single strand knots, and hello to healthy, shiny, frizz-free hair. Experience hydration on a different level with our Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger hair collection.